So yes, we were discussing isomers, and that we discussed few types, which was this type was N amito, that is N isotopes not but isomer. In that we just discussed example which was given glucose. This means mirror image. This is written mirror image. If you don't get my writing, mirror image, which means there will be a position when you see OH group which is present on the right side, you just call this as a D, and when you see OH present on the left side, for remembering you can easily remember that whenever you see the L left, so L, right side, which means D. Okay, we are done till this. Now we are discussing another type which we had is diisomers, which means not mirror image. They're only a simple and easy example, not mirror image, no mirror image. So when you take glucose, here we took glucose and there was a change in second last chain that OH was shuffled with H, as I just written here as well. But when there will be no change, so here it will be again same. Okay, when these will be same, so that means we call this as a not mirror change. But this is a little less important for MDK for your examination as well. So the one which is important is known as uh, is anomers. Anomers. Okay, anomers which have alpha and beta chain. So alpha and beta, what does here mean? This mean, let me just explain you. When you see carbon, not carbon. For suppose I've just made a ring. Oh God, it's so bad. So here I'm making a ring which is like this. Okay, so what does alpha means and what does beta means we'll discuss. You will see the chain like this. One should be outside like this. Okay, so here you will see H on the upper side and OH on the downside of the chain. H here, OH here, but here will be OH because we have a change here. It will be shuffled in glucose example. Here you will see again H. Here you will see OH. Again here you will see CH, 2OH. God, these are the chains. It's a very basic structure. So what I want to explain here is that when you see a hydrogen on the upper side of the chain, this means that chain is known as alpha. This is very easy concept. So this chain would be alpha, whereas this chain is alpha. But what if I just make the same chain, and on this chain you'll find OH group on the upper side, OH on the upper side, and H on the downside? Then we just call this as a beta. Okay, this should be very much clear. So accordingly now you'll find of the few of the examples which I also found a little good. The examples are when you see starch structure, you will find a starch structure that would be alpha structure. Alpha. Then you'll find glycogen. Glycogen will also have a structure which will be alpha. And you'll find maltose which would have alpha, but cellulose will have beta. I'm not sure about glycogen, but I think it was alpha. I did not remember exactly, but it was alpha, I'm sure now. Cellulose, which is beta, where you find maltose, that would be alpha again. Maltose, that would be alpha.